Before you spend a single dollar on your next luxury watch, stop, because some timepieces are secretly draining your wallet, while others are quietly making collectors' money. Right now, in October 2025, the watch market has flipped upside down. Rolex is back on top, Patek Philippe is breaking auction records, and one surprising brand, once dismissed as just fashion, is beating them all in resale value. If you love watches, investing, or just hate losing money, this video could literally save you thousands. So here's the question. If you had $10,000 to invest in just one watch, which brand would you choose? Comment your pick below and see if you guessed right by the end of this video. Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover the hidden world of luxury watches, market trends, and smart investments. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on that bell icon, because when it comes to watch investing, timing is everything. Today, we're breaking down the top brands dominating resale charts in October 2025. And trust me, some of these will shock you. Before we reveal the rankings, let's understand what really drives resale value. It's not luck. It's a formula, one that collectors know by heart. Rule number 1, brand prestige. People pay for the name. Rolex and Patek hold power because they represent history, craftsmanship, and trust. Rule number 2, scarcity. If a model is hard to get, its price goes up, sometimes even doubling overnight. Rule number 3, hype and influence. Social media and celebrity wrist shots can spark instant demand. One photo can add $5,000 to a watch. Rule number 4, condition and provenance. A full set, box, papers, warranty can raise resale by 20 to 30%. In 2025, the luxury watch market behaves more like the stock market than ever. Buyers are flipping watches like assets, and timing the market is everything. So let's count down the top 5 brands that are holding or growing in value this month. At number 5, Tudor. Once known as Rolex's little brother, Tudor has officially stepped out of the shadow. In 2025, models like the Black Bay 58 GMT and Pelagos FXD chronograph are turning heads, not just for their looks, but for their investment potential. According to Watch Charts data, average resale values are up 18% since 2023, with top models holding at 95% of retail. And limited editions? Some are even selling above MSRP. Collectors love Tudor because it delivers Rolex-level build quality, COSC certified movements, and vintage charm at nearly half the price. And with collaborations like the Pelagos FXD Marine Nationale, Tudor's legitimacy as an investment brand is solidified. So tell me, would you buy one Tudor Black Bay or wait for a pre-owned Rolex Submariner? Comment Tudor or Rolex below. At number 4, Omega, the only watch brand that's literally been to the moon. For years, Omega was overlooked by investors, but that's changing fast. In 2025, Omega's Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional and Seamaster 300 are seeing a strong rebound. Resale prices up 10 to 12% year over year. The new Moonwatch Blue Ceramic Edition has sold out worldwide, and the Seamaster No Time to Die, famously worn by Daniel Craig, is still trading above retail in secondary markets. Omega's appeal lies in its heritage and reliability. Collectors know it's the perfect blend of innovation and tradition. In a market dominated by hype, Omega offers something rare: steady, predictable growth. If you're a long-term investor, Omega is your safest play outside of Rolex. At number 3, the legendary Audemars Piguet. Few brands have the prestige of AP. Their Royal Oak remains one of the most iconic and desirable watches ever made. The market correction of 2023 hit prices hard. But guess what? In 2025, they're roaring back. The Royal Oak Jumbo Extra Thin 15202 ST and Frosted Gold 37mm are up nearly 20% since January. Pre-owned models that once sold for $40,000 are now trading around $55,000 to $60,000. A P's secret? Exclusivity. They slashed dealer supply, limited sales to AP House members, and turned ownership into a privilege. And that scarcity, plus status, creates unstoppable resale momentum. When scarcity meets luxury, value follows. AP doesn't chase trends, it defines them. At number 2, Rolex, the ultimate symbol of success and stability. For over a century, Rolex has dominated resale charts, and 2025 is no different. But the market has shifted. Not all Rolexes are equal anymore. Top performers: the Submariner date 126610LN, timeless, liquid, and always in demand. The GMT Master Tuand, Pepsi, and Batman, up 8 to 10% since early 2024. And the Daytona Panda, now climbing back above $35,000 after dipping last year. Discontinued models, especially steel Daytonas and the John Mayer green dial, are once again trading like crypto, fast, volatile, but profitable. And here's the thing, Rolex isn't just a watch brand, it's a global currency. From Dubai to New York, you can sell one in minutes. Whether you're an investor or enthusiast, Rolex remains the blue-chip stock of horology. And now, the reigning king, Patek Philippe. In 2025, no brand commands respect or resale like Patek. Their tagline says it all. You never actually own a Patek Philippe. You merely look after it for the next generation. And collectors are proving it true. The Nautilus 5811/1G is back above $130,000. And the Aquanaut Chronograph 5968A has climbed over 25% this year alone. Even their simpler models, the Calatrava 5226G and Annual Calendar 5205R, are holding over 90% of retail. Patek's strategy is genius: tiny production, zero hype, and timeless design. Only about 60,000 watches per year, all meticulously handcrafted. In October 2025, Patek isn't just a watch brand, it's a financial asset. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the dark horse of 2025. Cartier. Once dismissed as fashion watches, Cartier has made an incredible comeback. The Tank Française, Santos Dumont, and Skeleton models are all trading above retail in Europe and Asia. Cartier's design language, minimalist, elegant, and timeless, fits perfectly into the quiet luxury trend dominating 2025. Celebrities, fashion icons, and entrepreneurs are embracing Cartier like never before. Collectors who bought Cartier tanks for $5,000 a year ago, they're now selling them for $7,000 or more. Of course, not everyone's winning. Brands like Hublot, Tag Heuer, and Panerai continue to struggle. Oversupply, endless limited editions, and weaker collector demand are pushing resale values 30 to 40% below retail. If you're buying these, do it for passion, not profit. Because when it comes to value, heritage always beats hype. Of course, not everyone's winning. Brands like Hublot, Tag Heuer, and Panerai continue to struggle. Oversupply, endless limited editions, and weaker collector demand are pushing resale values 30 to 40% below retail. If you're buying these, do it for passion, not profit. Because when it comes to value, heritage always beats hype. So, here's the final ranking for October 2025. Number 5, Tudor, affordable legacy with rising value. Number 4, Omega, moonwatch momentum. Number 3, Audemars Piguet, exclusivity reborn. Number 2, Rolex, the timeless blue chip. Number 1, Patek Philippe, the king of resale. Plus bonus, Cartier, the stealth wealth winner. The message is clear. If you want your next watch to hold its value, focus on scarcity, legacy, and craftsmanship. Which of these brands do you think will dominate 2026? Comment your prediction below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more luxury watch insights every week. Until next time, keep your wrists sharp, your investments smart, and your timepieces ticking.